Are you planning to study abroad? Are you interested in electronics and electrical technician are the fields? Then you have come to the right place. Book your seat today. The Nepal's first electronics training center, Universal Electronics Institute, brings an exclusive offer to SEE Plus 2 and Bachelor's appeared students. Visit our classes, get reviews from students, and enroll today. Some training courses that are provided for SEE Plus 2 and Bachelor's students are Basic Electronics Course, Basic and Advanced Mobile Phone Repair Course, Basic and Advanced Laptop Repair Course, CCTV Camera Operating and Installation, AC Technician Course, Building Electrician Course, and many more. Our location: Universal Electronics Institute, Pako New Road, Kathmandu, opposite to Tamilkar Mobile Complex. Mobile number 9851198723.